Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. So I have decided to replace stock floorboards and a stock rubber brake pedal with the Defiance collection. So let's do a quick unboxing, take a look at what comes in the box and get it installed. Alright guys, so here we go. Defiance collection brake pedal pad. So instructions and a washer with a bolt. And the pedal pad itself. So I'll have to remove the rubber piece. I may have to get it cut out. I'm not really sure if it'll slide out to get this thing installed. Obviously it's in chrome. They come, as you can see, they come in black and chrome. My bike is all chrome, as you have seen before, so that's what I'm sticking with. And now, open up this. Instructions. So here we go. A really nice looking floorboard. Here we are. Matching set. Should match nicely to my handles and the shifter. Alright, so let's go ahead and get this installed. Brake pedal. This thing looks like it's either glued on or there's something else in here, so I'm thinking the easiest thing to do is just to cut it off, get it removed. Alright guys, so this thing was not glued on, but basically there is two notches here, right? So it kind of sits in these grooves, so and there's not a lot of room to twist it, so technically you could try to twist it and slide it off, but I mean, I'm not planning to reuse this, so here it goes. Alright, let's get the new one on. Alright, new brake pedal cover, a bolt and a washer. Alright guys, so to remove the stock floorboard, basically there are three things here. We got to remove the E-clip, remove the pin, and then carefully slide out the floorboard. There is a spring underneath it that we'll have to obviously, you know, reuse on the new floorboards. Alright. Alright guys, so that's the spring I was telling you about, right? Remember the position. So the piece that goes inside the floorboard has a little curve to it. The other one is straight. So that's how you're going to reinstall it back. So it goes back in, flip it around, put it right here, and here's your pin and an E-clip. Alright, so let's get a new floorboard. outside floorboard is installed. There's a little caveat that I have to show you, but I'm going to show it to you on the right side once I take it off. To show you really quickly. So when you take off the floorboard and the spring comes out, basically the way this works is once the floorboard is in and you install everything, this is how the spring will sit. So basically what you will have to do, and the easiest way I found to do it on the other side, is install it just the way this is, right? Put the pin through and then take a flathead screwdriver and push it in so it sits back in this little groove, okay? Otherwise, if you try to, you know, play around with it while installing a pin, it's just going to be a pain in the ass, basically. Just, like I said, put it into the floorboard, put the pin through, and then just take a flathead screwdriver, push it in, into the side, and it'll get into its groove, okay? Just for comparison purposes, guys, just want to show you the difference between a stock floorboard and the new Defiance collection. I mean, it's substantially longer, and it's also wider at its widest point right here. Alright, guys, so that was a quick and easy install of Defiance collection floorboards and brake pedal pad. Hopefully this video was useful to some of you. As always, if you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys soon. Take care.